Good afternoon. Synyster here. I am still trying to figure out why there are the angel wings from cut off of angels. I have found this morning that my voice is changing. No, my accent. This is no changing. My voice is changing. I do not know why. Maybe it is because I am becoming more immortal. Today, I would like to go outside of this room that I have been in. I would like to show you what looks like during day, where I am living at my dwelling. It is quite beautiful, and I will show you before I go to outside that I have found a new toy. Now I will carry my big sword for protection, but I found new toy. It is very beautiful. I woke up, it was beside me. Do you hear how my voice changed? It was more high last night, and now it is more low. Yeah. My very good friend, Vengeance Reaper, gives this to me this morning. Thank you, danke, Vengeance Reaper, danke. This is my new toy. I wonder if I can break this device you call iPad. I most likely could, but I wonder who has given to me this wonderful, beautiful blade with gems, and it is very sharp, but I will not make myself bleed any more than I am. Although, if you can see, some of my black blood is fading. This is good. This means I am becoming more and more fit to be in your mortal realm. But let me put away my new toy. One moment, please. Look up at this ceiling for one moment. Hi. Yeah. We are going outside. I have my blades for protection. I am covered in case the man who likes to preach of the Bible next door wants to speak with me, I will run and hide. I will run away because he does not know. I know much more than he knows. I know much more than he knows. And he will push what he believes to me, to you, to anyone. It is not right. Do not push what you believe onto me or anyone else, because allow everyone in this world to believe how they believe. I am so sorry. Excuse me that my voice goes up, down, up, down. I am still trying to get a hang of this mortal realm here. Aye. So, let us go outside. And I I will have my nicotine outside. Aye. Yeah. Let us go. It has been raining outside. And now I will show you my view every day outside my window. Every day I step out of my dwelling door. One moment, please. This is what I wake up to see every day. The beautiful trees who speak to me. The beautiful small lake here and pond. Sometimes there are the ducks and geese. I do not see them today, but it is quite beautiful here. Even just before the fence protecting the golf course and pond and small lake there, even before, it is beautiful with the trees and the bushes and plants. As you can see, it makes for nice walk. Now I shall bid you good day for now. Soon I will come back outside. Soon I will talk more with you. If anyone, excuse me, I will go on. The neighbor I was speaking of was trying to speak to me, and I was trying to hide. So I will go here. This is a nice little hiding place. This is the window where my bed does not reside. This is where the couch and music resides. There is my bed window. Aye. But as you see, this is the very small, secluded, nice little spot for me to come to and sit down and to look at the mortal realm outside and the nature. We all do love nature, no? Nine? You do not love nature? If you do not love nature, you need to get out into nature more. I am not trying to hide the camera. I am only being more comfortable to put my blades down. This is very, very nice, very new, very important to me. So I must be very careful. Does anyone know what god this might be? It might have come from a reaper, it might have come from a god, someone in another immortal realm. If you know who this is, please enlighten me. Danke. Now, I, Synyster Reaper, I am just being in nature today. I am beginning to bleed less black blood, as I said last night, to many of my Reaper family. I bleed black, not red. And I am trying to think of what to speak to you about, other than my voice changing, other than nature, how beautiful it is. I am still wondering, what is this love that you mortals speak of? I would like to know what this love is, because Synyster Reaper feels in this mortal world, even though I still am connected to my immortal realm, I feel I should Zen less, persuade to Zen less, although I shall still be myself, be sinister and cynical. But I would like to know what this love is. So, anyone who views, please do tell me, what does it mean to you? Someone, my friend Candyland Doc Reaper, he posted on the social media last night, what does friend mean to you? I quoted the song from an old brother of mine. What does friend mean to you? A word so wrongfully abused? Or are you like me, confused? All included, but you. Now, what do you think about this. Please leave your comments about what these words mean to you. Friend, do you like nature? What is love? What is Zen? What is Zenical and what is Synyster? Do you know? Do you understand? Now I shall go on hunt to figure out what happened to these two very beautiful angels, apparently, because one who has black wings, I know God only made very few with black wings, and they were the most beautiful. And it cannot be Lucifer, because Lucifer fell long ago. It has to be another angel who had black wings made, and also an angel with white wings, which could be so many. But I will be detective today, and I will find out, and I will also find my missing piece of my other blade with the crown and the pin. But do not worry, I will not sin, and I will not use it to harm anyone. None, I will not. And you should not use such things to harm your fellow humans. And you should not do anything or say anything to harm your fellow family, especially if you are in the Reaper family. Please enjoy the view. I will take you again shortly to the view of the small lake. Please enjoy this view while I am here. When the hummingbirds come out to play, I shall show you the hummingbirds next time. That is what this red thing hanging from the tree is. But please do go take a walk outside yourself today, because nature is a beautiful thing. A beautiful, beautiful thing. Yeah. Nature is beautiful. You will know so much from listening to the plants, the trees, listening to the wind. If it rains, listen to the rain. Watch with your eyes. Watch with your eyes the clouds. Feel with your skin the air moving. And know you are connected to all of this, and all is connected to you. And with this, I bid you good day. Synyster Reaper out.